Today I'm going to be going over how to replace a turn signal on a Jeep Cherokee. This is a 2016, but applies for any models from 14 up to I think 2024. I believe it's the 5th generation of Jeep Cherokee. So we're going to start this adventure by going to the driver's side door, reaching down here, and right here is our hood release. Line your hand up with the P right here. If you reach over here, you'll grab the horn. You don't want that. And we're gonna grab that latch and bring it right up. See how that goes. You don't need a hood stand on this one. And we're gonna look down in here, and that is where your turn signal bulb is. And just to clarify, that's the side marker bulb. That's the turn signal. That's the one we want to change. This one flashes, this one doesn't flash. Also, to show you on the other side that there's no weird obstructions. Sometimes in cars when you're doing these, there'll be a box or something in here, but there's your turn signal on this side. There's the turn signal on this side. A little bit difficult with the airbox there, but let's get into it. All right, reach in here. That's our bulb. We're going to twist counterclockwise from the perspective of sitting in the driver's seat. And there we go. There's our bulb. Then we come in, make sure you have gloves. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb, but this guy pops out like so. If you replace this with an LED bulb, make sure you get it the right orientation. Sometimes you'll need to flip it, but you can see there's a lead on one side, lead on the other side, and that just clips into there. Then you can see these notches, so that's how you, when you rotate it, it clips into place. So I'm going to tuck it back into there. So I got it kind of lined up here. This is hard to do everything all at once, but let's see if we can get this done. So you'll have to kind of finagle it into that. There's not a ton of space. This is definitely the harder side than the other side. But that you want to line up the hole. And I just got all the little notches lined up. And so now I can twist it into place. So twist it clockwise till it clicks. Whew. So there. And it's hard to see, but once you get it, there it is. Clicked it in. All right. So there's our turn signal. It's in. And there we go. Turn signal bulb's in there and it's working. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.